Yeah. I was shaking my head in the camera. I'm sorry. I forget I'm on the phone.
Okay. My thing I moved kind of soon, so it's going to have 6 months, like, but yet still you're pregnant for God right now.
Me never say so, you know? Me never said no. Me say me no want to talk about no pregnancy story. One thing me know about celebrity, they not say nothing until they reach all 6 months. A bad luck.
You're so delusional. Make up your mind no more.
Darling, me no want to talk about nothing. Me never said nothing. Me only said there have been hints for the past few months and people have not looked into it. But you know, enough to think about me and Pitney. Remember, so me have 13 Pitney, you know. And even if me pregnant, I go give me time to think whether I go have it or not have it, because I don't have 13 Pitney. What me I do with Pitney? What me I do with more Pitney? Me just done raise my kids them, you know. And me look at daughter how old. My twin them are 11 right now, you know. But what me I do with Pitney?
You were dropping hints according to you. You're so delusional. I need to make up my mind. This minute you love him and him your darling and him tie your shoes and him this and this minute you say him a drunk.
And you know say everything is true. You know say everything me is true. Of course him is a drunk. Everything me say are true.
Other question the more. You get up on camera every day. You can't just walk around in our house and sit on your couch like every day. Walk around, never see me a nice clean house.
I did that already. Me bring everybody through my house.
Well, no, not really. Bring us through it tonight. I would love to see it.
Tomorrow, cause you know I said the kids them you know somebody called me and say you need to still give the kids them. Not no kids them a go at them bed. But me walk around but this a house I know much for talk about a $2,500 a month for it. But you know how New York stay. For $2,500 you get nothing. And I'm not gonna right to you know abroad about. You feel me?
The thing with you though, you love challenge people to do this and challenge people. I challenge you to go in the kitchen one night or evening and look Bob. Anytime I tell look Bob breakfast and dinner for your feeding.
Oh, you want me to do that? What you want me look about? Okay. Alright. What you want me look about? Okay, but this girl don't know me. Did you know that I'm one of the greatest? All right. Here what we are gonna do. You see next week, I go cook every day, 5 days. I'll show you when me cook, how me cook it and everything.